Vontae. Your boy VTE back with another video. Vontae, whatever you want to call me. It's like, but nah, man. We at Coca-Cola DC. Peep the time. 1:17 a.m. Get into it, man. I'm waiting for them to open the door so I can back up and get unloaded, but man, they taking forever to open this motherfucker. I don't get why it's taking this long to open up a door if y'all open. Or a gate, I should say. Let me put myself off duty. Hold on, bro, my clock out. Do that while we wait. I don't know why my window keep getting foggy like that. Trying to heat up in this motherfucker. There ain't no way there's nobody here to open this door. Tell you gotta pop out this shit. I see people right here, but like, they're like mechanics. Shit, nobody in there. Nobody at all. I think I'm the only truck driver that don't work for Coca-Cola that's here. I don't see nobody else. I'm sorry? Gotcha. Thank you. Alright. So he just told me 5 o'clock. Why they tell me 4? I could've stayed asleep, man. You feel me? But we ain't complaining, man. We probably got like half an hour before we get loaded. So I'm just chill out for a little bit. So, yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all at 5 o'clock. I'm out here.
She want a nigga like my dad, so I've been trying to chill. I've been focused on the bag. I'm sorry if this ain't the type of shit to make you dad. Nice and that sad, don't know I'm coming home or not. You hear that door close, I still hear that shit locked. I'm back for my loyalty, still hit them shots. Metal cuffs left a mark. Allergic to the cops, and niggas fuck with him when he's spitting in the light. He fighting for his life, he can't even get a kite. Shit, all I know is gunplay, I know I gotta get it though. God asked me, I ain't let these fuckers go. Suckers try to speak.
Alright, so right here, it's just me calling to check in. Because at Let's Do Foods, you have to call a number they had on the poster to check in. Once you do that, you have to slide your tanders back and then pull up to the window. Once you pull up to the window, it's going to be a lady there that's going to check your paperwork and stuff like that. But this trailer I had was empty. So I had to drop this in a specific spot. Once I dropped it in the spot, I had to bobtail to go pick up my loaded trailer. As you can see, I went back to the trailer to put I guess like a magnetic trigger or whatever. I had to put it in front of my trailer, so I guess they know where the trailers are, just to make sure they are on the facility. So once I've done that, I went back to the window to get my paperwork. So I was assigned the spot. As you can see, like, I'm backing into it now, and I can't even lie, I really do this for real. You can see, like, I'm maneuvering it. Come back this way, then back the other way. Yeah, stop playing with them. But yeah, once I dropped that, I had to write where I dropped it out on a piece of paper, then head to where I gotta pick up my next trailer. Alright, so I just dropped the trailer. I'm on my way to pick up the loaded trailer. I think it was about, 44,000, something like that. If you watching this, man, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Feel me? know y'all wondering why the hell he get out the truck like that. But I had to get low so I could see if my trailer was flat on my fifth wheel. You don't want no gap in between it, cause if it do, your trailer can go over the fifth wheel, and that's a problem. We don't want problems on this side. No bueno. Alright, so now, once I picked up my trailer, I had to leave out the same way I came in, but on the other side, right? But I had to grab my paperwork and make sure the seals matched up. Once I received the paperwork, I had to go back there and back of the trailer to make sure the seal was the same as it was written down on the paper. Once I did that, I gave it back to her so she could sign and I could sign. Then from there, I just took off. appreciate you. Thank you. Alright, that's pretty much it. I done dropped my load in Tennessee, picked up an empty trailer to take to Atlanta, Georgia, and then I shut down at the Coca-Cola plant out there. That was it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out here.